Switching on and off next player switch indicator in FIFA 24 is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can turn or off a next player switch indicator in FIFA 24. So as you guys know, FIFA 24 is the FIFA's latest game. Actually, it is FC 24. Now the game is called as FC, not FIFA anymore. So how you guys can turn on or off the next player indicator in that game. So for that, you just have to open up your game and you have to go to the game setting. Everyone knows how to get to the game settings. And in the game setting, you just have to go to this visuals section. And in the visual sections, you will see all these options, including HUD, player indicator size, and stuff. So you just need to, change and whatever you want. You can also change it to player number, or you can also disable it. So it totally depends upon you. By the way, you can also change the sizes, the fade, and all of the things, for the player indicator. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can change the next player and switch indicator in FC 24. Hope you guys find this video helpful.